What's up, guys? I know it's been quite some time, so just giving you guys an update. The second part of that last video of lowering it and my little surprise, I had edited it a while ago, like halfway through rendering it or whatever, it like crashed and I lost all the footage, which I have no idea why. So now we're just gonna fast forward to the next bit. I think I will do like another walk around and update on everything that I've done to the car, which is not much. But today I wanna record bought yesterday, which are used Stillen Gen 3 long tube intakes. I'm in the process of cleaning them and polishing them. So the left side is the used part, and then the right side is what I've kind of polished a bit. So, I mean, I don't want to bore you guys with me polishing it. Oh, gosh. So what I'm pretty much using is Harbor Freight with a cone polisher. This one's kind of, beat to hell, but it does its job. And then some, gosh, it's already like 8 o'clock over here, so the light sucks. Mother's aluminum polish, and I'm just wiping it down, and then hopefully I'll try to get some light on this one. Here we go. And hopefully I'll wrap it in this gold heat wrap just for looks, and I said it fixes heat soak, so we're gonna try that. 370, 370, 350, 350, Fast and Furious, 350, 350, 350, 350. What's that? 300, 300, 350. Anyways, that's my Hot Wheels collection. So, slight update on the... Oh, come on. Update on the intakes. They are a pain in the butt to put on. You can see it's really not perfect, because it's not like a stretchy tape. So the 15-foot roll I bought is not enough. So as you can see, it did about 2/3 of it. So I'm ordering more. I'll finish it up hopefully tomorrow. And then I bought a Dremel today. So hopefully whenever I get the tape, my buddy said he has some that he'll let me borrow or have tomorrow. And then we can finish it up tomorrow. Then I'll just buy him some and give it back. And then we can start cutting up the engine stuff and start slapping these bad boys on. Then hopefully I can get a tune. So I've been running without a tune for, oh gosh, 2 years, 2.5 years now without a tune. I think it runs a little rich because it'll backfire from time to time. Well, pretty often. So I will see you guys tomorrow, hopefully installing these. So Hot Wheels. See you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so we were finally done wrapping it. This is just one of the 4 pieces, but it is really a pain to wrap because it's not flexible. So you see all these little high spots and stuff. I try to press them down, but this is probably the best that we'll do. This thing will focus. There we go. But right now I got the car in the air. I already got the bumper off. Oh god, there's no light in here. There's no light in here. So let me try to get a little bit more light and I'll come back. Alright, we're back with a little bit more light. So I have Takeda short rams, and so I've been running this for like 4 years now or something like that. And I picked up the Stillen Gen 3s from a good friend of mine. Shout out to Brandon. Appreciate it, man. And so on my friend's G37, we had to drill out this little area, but I like kind of test fitted it, and I mean it looks like there's a lot of clearance, but we'll see when we have everything on. Just to do a double test fit whenever this is off, and I'll start putting everything back on. But hopefully it's just a plug and play, no drilling, so I hope so. Catch you guys on the other update. Alright, update number 1, I guess. So I got everything in. Oh gosh. And ran it through. I didn't need to drill anything, which is really good. But now I run into an issue where, yeah, that is not fitting in. I had bought this off my friend. He drives a G35. And I guess, you know, where it goes right here, you know, they have that grill with a little bit more space. So I need to run to the store, try to buy a skinny one. So we will be back. Okay, so update. I didn't need to buy a smaller cone. I had the wrong bottom piece on here. I had the other side on this side. So now I got everything kind of hooked up, and it looks okay. The only pain in the ass thing that needs to be done is you need to, oh gosh, my fan. You need to reroute both your horns because they sit like right here, both of them. So I just unplugged them, unplugged the wire. It was like here and then like over here. They're just hanging down. So eventually I'm gonna bolt them to the radiator support in the middle somewhere. But that's not the only thing. So let me get this piece. Oh gosh, I lost it. Where'd it go? Oh great. Oh shoot, it's right here. So this piece kind of goes like this, and it hooks up. You can't see anything. I don't even have a... 1 second, let me get my flashlight. Okay, that's a million times better. So that little piece connected to the little breather hose, and that's like the OEM style of it. So I had to do a little search. So there's a little piece right here. Oh gosh, right there. PVC, PCV that you're supposed to hook up that breather hose to, and it runs all the way back to the back and there, and you have to cap it. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Just giving you guys a little update of the shit that is going on, and then I'll work on the other side. So the other side, I'll let you guys know once I get done with this side. Okay, bye. Love you. Alright. 20 million hours later, I think we are about done installing them. Not fully done, like relocating the horns and stuff like that, but I got everything plugged in. This hose right here was the biggest pain because it goes to like a half-inch weird looking quarter-inch thing that was really hard to bolt down. So I hope that works. So we will do a cold start, see what it sounds like. It's 11 something at night here, so sorry neighbors, let's get to it. Alright, so I think we are pretty good on this, and I think I'm going to call it a night. It is already getting really late. So tomorrow I will pick back up. I need to put back pretty much everything. I gotta relocate the horns, and then I think I may drive bumperless for a couple days because it looks pretty mean. I'll get better footage of this tomorrow in the sun. So, all right, catch you all tomorrow's. Bye. All right, guys, we are back again. It's a couple days later, so I put pretty much the bumper back on. I had some issues with the sides, but I redid them and they look pretty good. Pretty nice. So the only issue is now is just that middle part. So like right from here to here, it's like kind of saggy. So what I'll do is just, Jesus me, put back the styrofoam pieces I put in there, and then once I get that in, I'll just show you what it looks like. And it kind of just pushes everything back instead of having it kind of sag down there. So let me get that, and golly, I'll get that going. Alright, so what I'm pretty much using is just like 2 pieces of styrofoam and a couple pieces of cardboard just to kind of hold it up and stay in place. I did this like oh gosh, maybe last year sometime, and I haven't had any issues since. So let's just put it back real quick and I'll show you the after. Let me try to get that focus right there. See, there's a kind of like a gap, so hopefully we'll fix that. Alright, see what it looks like. Got the long tube ends there. And then, oh, you can't really see in there. Got the filters, and then in there, I just have the styrofoam pieces and the cardboard just to kind of hold it up good. So, let's see what this looks like. With done. It doesn't look as bad. There's like 2 little dips now, but it's not really noticeable. It's a lot better than the old one. So that is it, guys. That is my long tube install. I have a couple more videos and stuff I want to do, just stuff hasn't come in yet. Whenever I get more stuff, I will definitely try to make a video as soon as possible. But I appreciate you guys for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and I'll answer it to the best of my knowledge. Alright, peace.